Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student, welcome to the Principles of Marketing course. In this video, we will talk about Chapter 2, Marketing Environment, Lesson 3, the company's macro environment, demographic, economic, and natural environments. By the end of this video, you will be able to list the actors of the macro environment, explain how changes in the demographic and economic environments affect marketing decisions, identify the main trend in the firm's natural and technological environments, and explain the key changes that occur in the political and cultural environments. Let's start. A company's marketing environment. Macro environment consists of the large societal forces that affect the microenvironment, like demographic, economic, natural, technological, political, and cultural forces. As shown in the figure, the company and all of the other actors operate in a large macro environment of forces that shape opportunities and pose threats to the company. Those are demographic, economic, natural, technological, political, and cultural forces. Even the most dominant companies can be vulnerable to the often turbulent and changing forces in the marketing environment. Some of these forces are unforeseeable and uncontrollable. Others can be predicted and handled through skillful management. Companies that understand and adapt well to their environment can thrive. Those that don't, they will face difficult times. The aim of this section is to explain how changes in the demographic and economic environments affect marketing decisions. Demography is the study of human populations, size, density, location, age, gender, race, occupation, and other statistics. The demographic environment is of major interest to marketers because it involves people and people make up markets. Marketers keep a close eye on demographic trends and development in their markets and analyze change, age, and family structures. Geographic population shifts, educational characteristic, and population diversity. The economic environment consists of factors that affect consumer purchasing power and spending patterns. The economic environment. We have industrial economies, are richer markets. Subsistence economies consume most of their own agriculture and industrial output. And developing economies also offer outstanding marketing opportunities. The economic environment can offer both opportunities and threats. Nations vary greatly in their levels and distribution of income. Some countries have industrial economies. At the other extreme are subsistence economies. In between are developing economies that can offer outstanding marketing opportunities for the right kind of product. The aim of this section is to identify the main trends in the firm's natural environment. The natural environment is the physical environment and the natural resources that are needed as inputs by marketers or that are affected by marketing activities. Trends in the natural environment: growing shortages of raw materials, increasing pollution, increasing government intervention, and developing strategies that support environmental sustainability. First, There are growing shortages of raw materials. Air and water may seem to be infinite resources, but some groups see long-run dangers. Renewable resources, such as forest and food, also have to be used wisely. Non-renewable resources, such as oil, coal, and various minerals, pose a serious problem. Firms make products that require these scarce resources face large cost increases even if the materials remain available. A second environmental trend is increased pollution. Industry will almost always damage the quality of the natural environment. Consider the disposal of chemical and nuclear wastes. Chemical pollutants in the soil and food supply and the littering of the environment with non-biodegradable packaging materials. A third trend is increased government intervention in natural resource management. The governments of different countries vary in their concern and effort to promote a clean environment. The Environmental Protection Agency was created in 1970 to create and enforce pollution standards and conduct pollution research. Many companies are developing strategies that support environmental sustainability. In this video, we talked about the actors of the macro environment, how changes in the demographic and economic environments affect marketing decisions, the main trend in the firm's natural and technological environments, and the key changes that occur in the political and cultural environment.